Is career counseling only for school students? Or will it be useful for job seekers and working professionals too? The answer is a big yes. Career counseling is all about knowing yourself better so that you become aware of your strengths and weaknesses, your true personalities, the opportunities that are available in the areas of your interest, and very important, your potential to develop the skills that are required to become successful in your career. Assessing yourself systematically using scientific tools will help you in setting clear career goals, and a clear career path can be charted out so that it now becomes easy for you to move from where you currently are in your career to where you want to go.